The business.
Go! Come get with me. I'm a real man. Tattoos, can't you see? That was painful. So you know that I am strong. Watch me flex, girl. I'm like King Kong, and my dong, let's not even start on the size. It's really, really small, so you know she'll be surprised. But if you want, when you come back to my place, there's a couch we can sit on. There's some wine we can taste.
Nee, dankie.
They call me Easter. We met here by this club. I think that you owe me some love. I drive a nice car, a bucky out in the back, a rap playlist for everything, my life backtrack.
No,
I'm gonna do what Jack Sparrow taught this pimp. I'm a real Buddhist, so you know I'm not a wimp. Girl? Aina! It always works for Jack.
Fogo.
Don't like her. Don't like you. But I like you. And Cherry, I like you. Ooh, I also like you. I like you. And I also like you. I just wanna lie every girl in the world. I just wanna lie every girl in the world. I really wanna lie every girl in the world. I really wanna lie every girl in the world. Hey girl, it's me from accounting. I was wondering if I could interest you in some mounting. I'm sorry, what does that mean, guys? I think I bet for a different team. Girl, you're so pretty. Girl, you're so posh. OMG, love your nails, love your lip gloss. I mean, I like that ass. Seriously though, how much cash? I mean, not for your ass, I mean for your sexy B. For the record though, did you get that dress at YDE? I saw it on Glee. Oh my word, I love that show. Don't even get me started on Mr. S. It could take hours, you know. Anyway, I wanted to ask you out for the night. We can watch that Brad Pitt movie, the one where he fights and he takes off his clothes and he gets sweaty with all the men. You'll enjoy it. Me, I'll just pretend.
Shani, you really need to get that scenario.
I'm not sure if I like you. I didn't like you, and I don't like you too because you're a girl. And my ex-girlfriend, I didn't like her either. I really feel like I should come out of the closet. Guys, I really want to come out of the closet. Freddie, can you please help me come out of the closet? I really need to come out of the closet. Same dude, out for the night, looking for a girl who is looking right. I spotted one and damn, she is fine. Watch my move, I'm gonna start with this basic grind. And then she noticed me, I buy her a drink, I blink, and then I leave with this sexy wink. Man, this shit is easy. Nothing more, nothing less for this young Weezy. I'd rap, man. I know I'm sleazy, but it's part of the rap game. You know that I make it rain. Bitches and hoes, man. Girl, do you wanna be my troopy and you roll with my crew? You can be my groupie.
No, thank you. Sendura, I'm not a fan. No thanks.
This is the life for me. Rap man, cap man, same dude. You see, I like you. And I like you too. Oh, girl, I like you. Oh, best believe I like you too. I like you. And I like you too, girl. I like you.
I'm not a fan.
I like you too. You know what? I just wanna every girl in the world. I just wanna fuck every girl in the world. I really wanna every girl in the world. I just wanna. Hello, we've met before. I think we met at the bookstore. No ulterior motives, but I've been interested in you for a while. I'm really intimidated by your smile. I realize that there's a lot we share, and we have a lot in common. I think that's really rare. You know, I read your blog last week. It changed my perspectives. It really made me think.
I don't know what kind of Julia Roberts movie you got that from, but I just know that I'm never coming to Tiger again.